equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The video connector issue on your Lenovo IdeaPad can lead to a blank screen or flickering display. This often occurs due to a loose connection or a damaged cable. If not addressed promptly, it can worsen, leading to more extensive damage. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement video connector. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover of the laptop, taking care not to damage the casing. Once open, locate the video connector, which is typically situated near the motherboard. Gently disconnect any cables attached to it, noting their positions for reassembly. Remove the screws securing the connector in place, applying a moderate amount of force to avoid stripping them. Replace the faulty connector with the new one, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables, being cautious not to pinch them. As you reassemble the device, double-check that all components are securely in place and that no screws are left over. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that your laptop is handled with care and avoid placing excessive strain on the video connector. Regularly check for any signs of wear and tear. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.